Looking for fresh ideas to improve your writing productivity? Try an AI PRM prompt. Here's how it works. Copy and paste a rough draft into the field and watch the AI transform your garbled text into a good draft that's readable and worthy of your time. Will this prompt turn your next piece into a work of art on par with giants like Vonnegut, Orwell, or Atwood? Not a chance. But the prompt will accelerate the time to second draft and help you on the real craft of writing, which is rewriting. What's the benefit? Use the prompt to rescue your abandoned pieces of writing that sit lifeless in your to-do list and transform them into workable projects that you turn into finished work. Over time, you get a steady stream of publishable work. To run a prompt, log into ChatGPT and on the AI PRM dashboard, click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter Quillbot. Select the Quillbot Content Rewrite Rephrase prompt. Paste your rough draft into the field and then click the Send Message button. ChatGPT gives your draft a text makeover, complete with the occasional fancy word or sentence. If that's too fancy, consider adding a modifier to the input field before pasting in the draft text, like this one. That's it. Now you know how to rescue abandoned writing projects with AI PRM.